Hello, my name is Sam, and welcome to BrainTech. In this video, I will show you how to change Discord password if you forgot it. To start, open discord.com in your internet browser or your Discord application. Now, input your email or phone number, depending on the one used for your account. Input your username and password, and log in. This is in case you remember it. In here, since we have logged in, for now let's log out on our Discord for demo purposes. In here, first input your email or phone number. Then tap on Forgot Your Password below password icon. And then in here, instructions will be sent over to your Gmail. Now, go to your Gmail application in your mobile device. And then you will see an email coming from Discord regarding on changing your password. Now tap on the button that says Reset Password. This one over here. Once you tap on it, you will now be redirected to another website. In here, you can create a new password. And then, once satisfied, just tap on Change Password button. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.